Hi, in today's video, I'm going to go over how to install GoFullPage and how to pin it to your browser for easy access. You can do this whether you're using Google Chrome like I am today, or you can do this in your Microsoft Edge browser. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and go over to GoFullPage.com. Once you do, you'll be able to see the same screen that I see. And as I said, if you're using Chrome, you can follow along with me here. But if you need to use your Edge browser link instead, you can be taken to that store here. So I'm going to go ahead and say add to Chrome. It's free. And then I'm just going to come over to this part that says add to Chrome and click on it. I'm going to say add extension, and then it's going to be added up here on the top. Now, if we want to pin it so that we can access it really easily on any web page that we're on, then I'm going to click on this jigsaw puzzle piece here. And in Chrome, it will look like a pin, but in Edge, it will look like a little eye. So go ahead and click on that. And now we see that it's pinned here.